Hello, welcome to the distance education conducted by National Papson Kasky. It's me, your social teacher, and today I'm going to teach you social study of class 4. Dear students, in our previous class or in our last class, we discussed about the social evils. We discussed about social evils. As you know, we haven't completed our course at that time. Yes, we haven't completed our course at that time. Okay, let me recall this. Why we learn this chapter? Because after the completion of this chapter, my dear students, you will be able to identify the social evils that are practiced in your society. That was the main objective, and the next objective was you will be able to speak about the ways to avoid the bad practice. Okay, they were the objectives about reading this chapter. Dear students, in our previous class, we have an example about Raj Narayan, how he lost his home. We talk about that also. We talked about the Devki Pratha. We talked about untouchability. Okay, so let me write over here. We talked about Devki Pratha. We talked about Devki Pratha. Then we talked about untouchability. Next, I wrote, yes, in last class also, I have written different social practices, social evils in last class. Please recall it. Recall गर्नुहोस् त एकचोटि के थियो? Untouchability, Devki Pratha, then child marriage. Good. Yes, child marriage. And what was the last one? What was the last one? Please recall it. Recall it. Okay, good. Jhuma Pratha, yes? Good. Jhuma Pratha. Okay, dear students. Before learning about the child marriage and Jhuma Pratha, let me recall you about the Devki Pratha and untouchability. Okay? Devki Pratha, this is the bad practice or the bad customs that exist in our society of Sudur Paschim province. That means Devki Pratha, it is mainly practiced in where? Where? Good. In Sudur Paschim province. Okay? So, what is Devki Pratha then? What is Devki Pratha? Devki Pratha is the bad customs or the bad practice in which girls are sent to the temple or in which girls are offered to the God by their parents. Simply, isn't it? Yes. देवकी प्रथा भन्ने बित्तिकै के हो त भन्दाखेरि घरको कुनै एउटा छोरीलाई चाहिँ भगवानलाई भनेर भगवानलाई भेट चढाउने अथवा भगवानको मन्दिरमा लगेर छोड्दिने प्रथा भनेको देवकी प्रथा हो नि त, हो कि हैन? Yes. So, what is untouchability then? What is untouchability? Untouchability, it is also the bad practice or the bad social evils that exist in our society in which the higher class people who prohibit the lower class people to enter their house. And the untouchability भनेको त्यही हो नि त. Untouchability भनेको social evils हो जसमा चाहिँ so called high class family हरूले चाहिँ लो क्लास पिपलहरूलाई चाहिँ उनीहरूको घर भित्र छिर्न नदिने र धाराको पानीहरू छुन पनि नदिने, मन्दिरमा छिर्न पनि नदिने, त्यही हो नि त अनटचेबिलिटी भनेको. यस. ओके, child marriage. What is child marriage? What is child marriage? You are child, yes? Isn't it? Yes, you are child. Let's talk about the child marriage. Child marriage means this is also the child marriage, it is also the bad customs or the social evils that exist in our society. In rural areas, we can find that. है यो चाइल्ड म्यारेज भनेको पनि के हो त ब्याड प्र्याक्टिस सोसल इभिल्स नै हो दिस वी क्यान फाइन्ड इन द रुरल एरियाज हामी रुरल एरियाजमा त्यसलाई पाउन सक्छौँ ओके चाइल्ड म्यारेज मिन्स getting married okay getting married in child age like you are reading in class 4 mainly in this system or in this social evils children of your age or children studying in the class 4 or 5 they get married okay अब चाइल्ड म्यारेज भन्ने बित्तिकै के हो त सानो उमेरमा नै विवाह बन्धनमा बाँधिनु भनेको चाइल्ड म्यारेज हो ओके जस्तै क्लास 4 3 5 तिर पढिरहेको बेलामा चाहिँ विवाह हुनु भनेको नै चाइल्ड म्यारेज हो लेट्स गो ओभर हियर इन रुरल एरियाज वेयर पीपल आर अनएजुकेटेड चाइल्ड म्यारेज इज कमन प्र्याक्टिस यस इन द रुरल एरियाज वेयर पीपल आर अनएजुकेटेड चाइल्ड म्यारेज इज कमन प्र्याक्टिस जहाँ चाहिँ मानिसहरू अशिक्षित छन् वेयर पिपुल आर नट एजुकेटेड इन द्याट प्लेस चाइल्ड म्यारेज इज कमन प्र्याक्टिस त्यो ठाउँमा चाइल्ड म्यारेज भनेको चाहिँ के हो त कमन प्र्याक्टिसको रूपमा लिएको छ वाइ दे थिङ्क द्याट when their son get married they will bring the wife or daughter-in-law and she will do the household work they think like that त्यहाँ किन त्यस्तो भइरहेको छ भन्दाखेरि जब छोराको विवाह गरिन्छ त्यो छोराको श्रीमती घरमा आइसके पछाडि बुहारी घरमा लिएर आइसके पछाडि घरको काम गर्नलाई हेल्प गर्छ सजिलो हुन्छ भन्ने सोचेर चाइल्ड म्यारेज गरिएको हुन्छ एन्ड इट इज कमन इन द रुरल एरियाज वेयर पिपुल आर अनएजुकेटेड र यो चाहिँ जहाँ चाहिँ मानिसहरू अनएजुकेटेड छ त्यस्तो ठाउँमा चाहिँ चाइल्ड म्यारेज कमन प्र्याक्टिस भइरहेको छ So, are you clear about it? Okay. The children are married when they are merely 5 years old or above. Yes. In this system, in this practice, children they get married merely when they are 5 years old or 6 years old. Okay? यहाँ merely गरेर 5 वर्ष या 6 वर्षको उमेरमा भइसके पछाडि चाहिँ विवाह गराइदिने चलन छ वाइ किन भन्दा छोरीलाई एउटा बर्डनको रूपमा पनि लिएको हुन्छ हैन घरमा छोरी पालेर राख्नु पनि एउटा गाह्रो कुरा हो भन्ने सोचेर पनि उनीहरूले चाँडै विवाह गरेर पठाइदिने पनि सोच्छन् देयर आर सेभरल रिजन्स बिहाइन्ड चाइल्ड म्यारेज ओके मेन इज अनएजुकेटेड पिपल हैन एजुकेसन ल्याक अफ एजुकेसनको कारणले गर्दाखेरि पनि चाइल्ड म्यारेज भइरहेको हुन्छ इन दिस सिस्टम चाइल्ड गेट म्यारेज even when they don't know the meaning of the marriage. They don't know whether they are getting married or not. They don't know about that. In that age also they are getting the married. Okay? यो चाइल्ड म्यारेजमा बच्चा यति सानो हुँदाखेरि विवाह गराइन्छ कि उनीहरूलाई म्यारेज भनेको के हो विवाह भनेको के हो भन्ने कुरा थाहै नभएको बेलामा उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ विवाह गराइन्छ चाइल्ड म्यारेज ओके दे डोन्ट इभन नो द मिनिङ अफ द म्यारेज अल्सो उनीहरूलाई म्यारेज भनेको के हो भन्ने कुरै थाहा हुँदैन त्यति बेलासम्म एट द्याट एज दे गेट म्यारिड बट आवर ल allows only people above the age of 20 to be married. See, our laws and orders, it only allows to the people above 20 years old to get married. 20 वर्ष नागिसकेका मानिसहरूलाई मात्र विवाह गर्न पाइने छ भनेर हाम्रो कानुनी प्रावधान छ हाम्रो नियम बनेको छ कानुन बनेको छ isn't it? Yes, our law has such provision, but in rural areas this child marriage is still in practice. तर पनि rural area मा child marriage अझै पनि practice भइरहेको कुरा छ. Are you clear about it? Okay. Let's go to the Jhuma Pratha. Okay, let's go to the Jhuma Pratha. के हो Jhuma Pratha भनेको? What is Jhuma Pratha? Okay, Jhuma Pratha is the custom in which, or this is the custom of offering second daughter, Maili Chori, to the monastery Gumba in the Himalayan region of Nepal. Yes, झुमा प्रथा इट इज क्वाइट सिमिलर टु द देउकी प्रथा झुमा प्रथा भनेको देउकी प्रथासँग केही हदसम्म सिमिलर छ इन बोथ daughter are offered to the god okay but in झुमा प्रथा second girl second daughter माइली छोरी तीनटा बच्चा भएर तीनटा बच्चामा एउटा बिचको माइली छोरीलाई चाहिँ के गरिन्छ त गुम्बामा लगेर छोडिन्छ ओके दिस इज द सिस्टम झुमा प्रथा इज द सिस्टम इन व्हिच second daughter माइली छोरी okay second daughter is offered or left in the monastery गुम्बामा लगेर छोडिन्छ झुमा प्रथामा चाहिँ माइली छोरीलाई and it is mainly practiced in the Himalayan region of our country यो चाहिँ मेनली गरेर हाम्रो नेपालको हिमालयन रिजनतिर चाहिँ झुमा प्रथा मानिराखिएको हुन्छ like देउकी प्रथा such girl also cannot get married in her whole life yes likewise in the देउकी प्रथा in झुमा प्रथा the girl who was offered to the gumba they are not allowed to get married in their whole life झुमा प्रथामा पनि देउकी प्रथामा जस्तै मन्दिरमा लगेर बच्चा छोडिसके पछाडि माइली छोरीलाई लगेर छोडिसके पछाडि उसले विवाह उसको जीवन्त कालभरिमा उसले विवाह गर्न पाउँदैन they need to spend their whole life by taking care of the monastery only र उनीहरूले आफ्नो पुरै जीवन आफ्नो जीवन्त काललाई चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ त के गर्नुपर्छ आफ्नो पुरै जीवन्त काललाई आफ्नो जीवनलाई झुमा प्रथामा चाहिँ उनीहरूले मोनास्ट्री गुम्बाको सेवा गर्नुपर्छ दे नीड टु टेक केयर दे नीड टु सर्भ इन द मोनास्ट्री ओन्ली टिल देयर डेथ इन द झुमा प्रथामा के छ त उसको मृत्यु नभइन्जेलसम्म उसले के गर्नुपर्छ त्यही मोनास्ट्रीकै सेवामा बस्ने मोनास्ट्रीको रेखदेख गरेर बस्नुपर्ने हुन्छ गुम्बाको रेखदेख गरेर ओके नाउ all of these bad customs should be abolished from our society because they hamper in the development of our society exactly that is sure abolished means to stop okay abolished to means stop okay abolished भनेको stop गर्नु त्यसलाई रोक्नु पर्छ okay this should be end भन्ने कुरालाई चाहिँ abolished भनिन्छ okay so now these all bad practice should be abolished from the country or from our society because if this exists in our society then our country cannot be developed got it यदि यो सोशल इभिल्सहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले स्टप गरिएन भने के हुँदो रहेछ त हाम्रो सोसाइटी हाम्रो कन्ट्रीलाई हामीले डेभलपमेन्टतिर लिएर जान सक्दैनौँ वी क्यान नट डेभलप आवर कन्ट्री ओके इफ वी डु नट स्टप or abolish this social evils for the betterment of the society for the development of the society and the country we need to abolish or stop these social evils or we should throw back this from our society also अथवा यसलाई हामीले हाम्रो सोसाइटीबाट सोसाइटीमा चाहिँ जरैदेखि नै झिकेर फाल्दिनु पर्ने हुन्छ टु डेभलप द सोसाइटी or टु डेभलप द कन्ट्री क्लियर ओके such practice such social evils or such practice also destroy the unity of the people yes we can find different people living together in this society there is unity between the people living in the society and this untouchability child marriage देउकी प्रथा झुमा प्रथा other social evils if they exist in the society it will break the unity of the people also living over there त्यहाँ बसिरहेका मानिसहरूको युनिटीलाई पनि एकतालाई पनि बिगार्दिन्छ यो कुराले so for that also we need to abolish these social evils to in this bad social costumes mass awareness should be created what should be done to stop these social evils यो social evils लाई stop गर्नलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ mass awareness should be created हैन त public awareness program can be conducted भन्नु खोजेको मानिसलाई जनचेतना दिन सकिन्छ we should not practice these costumes this is the bad customs if we follow this we cannot move ahead for the development of the nation भन्ने कुराहरु बुझाएर उनीहरुलाई चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ त mass awareness program चाहिँ conduct गर्नुपर्छ okay next education should be provided in rural areas And the second main thing is to provide the education to the people living in the rural areas. रुरल एरियामा ग्रामीण भेगतिर अथवा गाउँघरतिर बसेका मानिसहरूलाई शिक्षा दिनुपर्छ उनीहरूलाई. We should provide the education to the people living in the rural areas to stop this social evils. Next, proper laws should be made to control such practice. र proper laws चाहिँ बनाउनु पर्छ. Proper laws should be made and implemented to stop this social practice. यो सोशल प्र्याक्टिसहरूलाई स्टप गराउनको लागि प्रोपर लजहरू चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ त बनाउनु पर्छ. Okay, dear students, we have completed our chapter. I hope that you are clear about different social evils practiced in our society. Okay, before moving or before leaving our class, let me give you some homework. What is Devki Pratha? Okay, please note down this question. Next, write any 3 points to stop the social evils. Okay. Next what? What is meant by child marriage? Or what is child marriage? Okay, students, this was for today. आजलाई यति नै. But let me know you, what is Devki Pratha? Devki Pratha भनेको के हो? This is the social evils in which girls are offered to the god or they are left in the temple. You have to write that. Write any 3 points to stop the social evils. That means how we can stop the social evils. Like I already mentioned, mass awareness should be created. Education to the people living in the rural education should be provided to the people living in the rural areas. And the last one is what? Proper laws should be made to control the social practice or evils. Isn't it? Yes. Then what is child marriage? Child marriage भनेको के हो त? Child marriage भनेको getting married in the young age. That means in merely in 5 years or 6 years. That is child marriage. Got it? Okay. This was for today. We will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.